Eating late at night can be detrimental to your skin in several ways. Late-night snacking can cause inflammation and increase sebum production, which can exacerbate skin conditions like acne and eczema. Consuming foods with a high glycemic index, such as sugary or starchy snacks, can spike blood sugar levels and contribute to skin issues. First, it's essential to recognize how our bodies function on a natural cycle, which regulates numerous physiological processes. As night falls, our bodies enter repair mode, working diligently to regenerate and maintain healthy skin. However, when we interfere with this natural rhythm by consuming food late, we hinder those critical restorative processes. Research suggests that eating late at night can disrupt the circadian rhythm of the skin, reducing the daytime activity of an enzyme called xeroderma pigmentosum group, which helps repair UV-damaged skin. Disruption of its circadian rhythm due to abnormal eating times can reduce its effectiveness in daytime, potentially increasing skin's vulnerability to sun damage. This disruption can make the skin more vulnerable to sun damage, potentially increasing the risk of sunburn. Research indicates that disrupted enzyme levels can lead to a decline in hydration and elasticity, making skin appear more aged. More research is needed to confirm these findings in humans. The study's results suggest that abnormal eating schedules could potentially shift the skin's internal clock, making it less effective at protecting against UV radiation. Late-night meals often consist of heavier, processed foods, which can exacerbate inflammation and breakouts. Prioritizing a balanced diet during appropriate hours fosters a healthier microbiome, supports skin detoxification, and enhances overall resilience and overall skin health, paving the way for a fresh and glowing complexion. To promote healthier skin, it's imperative to adopt some practical habits in your daily routines. First, aim to have dinner at least 2 to 3 hours before bedtime, allowing your body ample time to digest. Next, focus on nutrient-rich foods that support skin health, such as fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. Prioritizing your eating schedules is a significant step towards enhancing our overall health and skin and vitality. So avoid late-night snacking and using other sun protection methods such as sunscreen and protective clothing to minimize sun damage.